we're anxious, we're sad, we want to feel a different way, so we go into nature. We ask it to heal us in a way through adrenaline, through dopamine. We leave, we go home, we hope we're cured, we're not, we realize that, and then we go back in nature doing the same exact thing. But here's the issue with that linear line there, is that if you brought this into a clinical psychology program, this is what addiction looks like. You don't feel the way you want to, you look for a drug, you take the drug, it makes you feel better, you think you're healed, you crash, and then you go straight back to it.